What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, coming at you with another video, guys. Thank you for coming back to the channel. As you can see, I got the GSXR behind me. I think GSXR behind me. You know what? Let's think of a name. Very easy. I didn't have to worry about it just now. Yoshi. Let's call it Yoshi. But anyway, I got Yoshi behind me. As you can see, got my gear on. Check me out. Got my Alpine Stars jacket on. But as you can see, I'm about to jump on the bike. I'm about to head to Washington Cycles so they can install my rear hugger, you know, so I can get rid of this. As you can see, that stock hugger. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. To put this sexy thing on. Bam. So it should look good. I think it goes good with the carbon. What you guys think? See, that's a good view right there, right? You know? So yeah, anyway, but I'm about to head to Washington Cycles right now. It takes me about 45 minutes, about 45-minute ride, go fill up. And as soon as I get there, you know, I'll start the video again. I'll check you guys in a bit, man. See you there, all right? Can't wait. It's gonna look good on there. Check her out, man. Yoshi. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, see you guys in a bit, man. I wish I had my GoPro set up on my helmet, man, but I could gotten a little bit of a ride, some ride content, but haven't had a chance to set that part of the GoPro up for my helmet. So, but I'll see you in a little bit, man. Check you out. What's going on, everybody? As you can see right behind me, I just made it safely to Washington Cycle. I'm gonna bring you guys inside so you can check out the bike. They already got it on the lift already. So let's go right in and check it out. After we show you guys the bike on the lift, I'll come back and give you guys a little tour of the showroom. But as you can see, we already working on the bike. We have it right here on the stand. Get that rear hugger off and put the new one on. It's a little bit pain in the ass when you do it yourself. I think it will have to come off. So.
We're going to try to do something, get it.
Alright. Ron's the man here. Washington Cycles on it. Don't really like being on the camera too much. So, let's go check out the showroom. We're going to let them work. Let them do what they got to do. But, let's see what we got, man. Yeah, bunch of stuff. Bunch of stuff, man. Alpine Star boots, some SDI boots, nice. Some gloves. Got oil. He got tires. He usually has all tires in stock. Michelin, Dunlop, Pirellis. He usually has everything in stock. He's real good with that. He usually has every tire in stock. He has another storage room in the back. Washington Cycles also, they're located in Washington, New Jersey, if anybody wants to know. Of course, you know, your boy, I will put that in the description below, his email and everything, but you can check out all his trophies. Pretty nice showroom. He usually has every part in stock that you need for the bike. This is just some stuff that he has, you know. He has tons of trophies, you know, he's been racing for years. And he's really good with these bikes, man. He's one of the best when it comes to tuning and tweaking your suspension. I suggest any sport bike rider, the minute you get your bike, the first thing is have your suspension adjusted because usually when you get your bike, it's always set up for like a 160-pound rider. So if you weigh more than 160 pounds, you know, the bike is not going to feel as nimble as it's supposed to feel. You know, you shouldn't have to fight it when you go around turn. If you go around turn, you kind of lean, it should kind of lean with you. So the best thing always, I always suggest to everyone is get your suspension adjusted, you know. And it's about like an hour process to do, you know. But usually they get you to sit on the bike, get off the bike, check your weight. But, you know, this is it, man. So, we got bike stands in stock. Everyone comes this way, man. So
No,
it's
that's too
cool.
much.
It's cool. You know. And we can stop. You know. Full suit. So. Yeah, man.
Call me, we'll get you in on that one. Okay, perfect.
Just wanted to give you guys a little tour of the showroom. And once they're done with the bike, you know, of course, I give you another video of the shot of it once the rear hugger is put on. And I'll check you back in a little bit. Peace. All right, guys. So the huggers has been put on. Tell me what you guys think. Let's see if I can give you a good enough view right now. Leave the comments below if you like it. I think it looks good, man. I think they did a good job. I think it looks real good. Nice little touch, you know. Just those baby mods, you know. Just those simple stuff that makes it pop a little bit. So we'll get you a little light. Just the simple stuff. That's good, man. So they did a good job. Real quick, half hour, real quick. You know, they had to take the wheel off to get to that. They had to modify the hose just a little bit because the hose wasn't big enough. But you know, shit happens when you buy aftermarket stuff. So tell me what you guys think. Leave the comments below. Hit that like and subscribe. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I'll put the description to Washington Cycle's website down below. Check you in the next video, man. Peace.